today's motorcycle, it just doesn't end. So hard to turn. This is a major gyrating sound. But for the first time, I'm actually sitting under one. This is something they face a lot. Okay, seriously though, this is the second longest motorcycle in India, and I've actually got a measuring tape to show you that. This is 12.5 feet! I have no idea what riding a 12.5 feet Royal Enfield on our streets is going to be like. So let's just take this thing for a spin already. Anybody that sees this bike is going to first be able to tell that ये जो है एक Royal Enfield Classic 500 है, of course. Seeing the engine, that is the one thing that has been kept stock on this motorcycle. But apart from that, everything was hand built. Everything, except for this and the suspension. So the fuel tank that you see is a 25-liter fuel tank. But the owner tells me that we don't fill more than 400-500 ka fuel. Otherwise, this bike goes like. And anyway, it's quite heavy and does its own thing. Then तो it will take you where it wants to go only. आपको याद है वो मीन कस्टम्स की बाइक जिसको देख के हम लोग पागल हो गए थे क्योंकि उसका जो टायर था 300 सेक्शन का टायर था. Well, we have found something bigger than that also. This is a 310 section tire. It doesn't look all that big when you see the front of the bike because that's the more intimidating part. But 310 section tire, and when this bike was made, at that point, this was the largest tire that they had. So, dude, look at that. Look at that. Just like the JCB. It's funny because I usually sit on top of a bike. But for the first time, I'm actually sitting under one because I can fit here. Okay, what immediately catches everybody's eye is the front section of this motorcycle because it's so unique and it's so long that everyone just can't stop looking at it. Now, this whole thing was actually built by hand. These are just metal sheets that have been put together. Yeah, that's how the front section was essentially made. So, after riding this thing for a little time today, I have understood, man. There's some custom bikes that have a lot of work on them, like this one, where you literally change up everything. They look freaking amazing. People can't stop looking at them. They catch all the attention that you would want them to. But hard to ride. Okay, I know I said this when I rode the Dhari as well, and that was a chopper as well. But dude, there's like when I started the bike, it completely veers to the left. You've got to be careful. You've got to be be super comfortable with riding it. It will want to take you where it wants to take you, but you've got to have full control over that handlebar. And I've had my share of, oh shit, oh no, I'm going to go into the car. Tracking cars ahead of me and I can't get the bike to stop. Hates speed bumps, hates potholes, gets very nervous in potholes. The bike is not very happy to go into potholes, but that's not what it was made for, right? It was made to just ride on these nice long straight stretches. And we have monsoon roads going on in India right now which are full of potholes, so I can't expect any better for this poor thing. But overall, man, 12.5 feet motorcycle, killer. Loving this thing. As much as I love custom motorcycles, this is something they face a lot. They die a lot. And then we have to do this. बस ओके चलो फ्लैट बेड के साथ घर चले
पूरी आंदी है जल्दी करनी है
Okay guys, so I guess this is the end of our video with the 12.5 feet motorcycle, because we gotta go get it fixed now and I don't think you want to see that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing this bike in motion, because I sure as hell did. We gotta reach 100k. Subscribe, share, like, sab kar lo. Bye.